Hi, it's me Devi, and today I will make vlog. I will show you nature. Me and my family, we will go to a nature trip in Almaty, Kazakhstan, and I hope you enjoy it. So this is how the road to go to
I saw someone ride.
our nature looks like.
No, I saw someone ride with just one wheel and not holding.
Oh, okay.
They have so much talent.
So this is how Almaty look like. Guys, in Almaty, even though it's December, like there is no snow still in the cities. You can see just some trees without leaves but no snow. So this is where we arrive, our first stop. So many snow here.
Can you give me the cleanest snow here?
Yes, you can take here.
Ow.
Ryan loves snow very much, and I'm curious about water. There is sounds of river somewhere there. So we are going by walk. Like I was thinking to go by horse, but we don't get horse. So three of us just walking in nature now. We are heading to that direction there, and we will see if we can make it to walk a little bit far. The view is beautiful here. So I love beautiful view. My husband like nature and hiking and walk, and we just introduced our son to like it too and able to walk like us. So this is how you teach your child to walk more. Bring them in nature and let them enjoy the snow. Sometimes don't run, Daddy say. It will make you tired. Oh yes, Ryan loves snow very much. Look guys, it's river there. And it's snow here. Uy, it's slippery. Ooh, slippery. Ooh. Be careful, Ryan. It's slippery. Go. Yes. River. Ryan don't like wet snow. Yay, horse.
Can you get close?
It's already close enough. Don't disturb horse. Come on. So I will show you where we are now. This gentleman is trying to climb the hill. And Mama too. Come on, you can make it. Oh my God. Yes. Oh yes. Yay! Hurry! Yeah, that is the baby horse.
What?
And that one more.
Where?
There.
Where?
It's mama and baby. Not so close.
So this is your horse, and this is daddy. This is my horse, and that's daddy horse.
Not so close. Enough.
Hello, my horse.
Come on. There is Voldemort behind me. He spell Avada Kedavra with snow. Oh, Ryan, you need to walk on the snow. Amateur hikers. My husband is very calm. He knows how to go in nature, but I'm not. I'm good at shopping mall. Someone is rolling. Hey, your clothes is open. Come on.
Go like this? Hey, why are you
River there. Beautiful river. There is small. Almost fell down. Small also like river. You see, it's very slippery, so I need to be careful here. Very, very careful. I need to just be there.
Finish.
It's spider snow. Is that alive?
Hi, Spidey.
Don't touch him.
Ah, he hides.
Hi, Spider-Man.
This gentleman is very brave, everyone. Look at him, he lit himself. So what is this that we do today? We have a family schedule. Well, since we are in Almaty, we have it like we have some trip in some park or some nature to bring my son to introduce him nature in different country and how people spend their time usually here. They also go to nature because the weather is good, not so cold. You can see there is snow here, but body can handle it still. Because before this I was in Russia, and in December or November it's already like minus 10 or like very low minus. But here in the place where we live in our home, it's still like plus 9 or 8, and in this place I don't know, maybe minus 4, but not as cold as in Russia for sure. So that's why we love to go to nature here. It's convenient for child to walk. If you bring child, they can handle it more. Guys, it's unbelievable beauty here. I'm gonna show you how the mountain looks like, because it's just like nature painting. And if people ask for what you to stay in Almaty, it's just the best place. Just look at how beautiful is the view. And this is why we like to live in Almaty, because there are so many beautiful mountains. See? Wow.
What are these yellow things?
So beautiful. What yellow?
Yellow things in the snow. If you look down, you'll see this.
It's 3 seats.
You see it?
Oh,
What are they?
it's like painting.
Seeds of trees.
So maybe some of you is new in my YouTube. I will tell you my story. Before I moved to Almaty, I already lived abroad for around 5 years, and then we decided to bring my son to live with us. We were living in Asia for 2 months. We're traveling to Kuala Lumpur, Singapore, and then Phuket also. We were staying there for 2 months until we were deciding to go to Almaty, Kazakhstan. So Almaty is not actually Russia. It was Russia, part of Russia a long time ago, but now it's a single country, and it's country in Asia that you can have very beautiful view. You don't need to go to Europe if you want to get some expensive view like this and beautiful unusual scenery. You can just come here, much cheaper. Just I remind you that I found not so much people speak English here, so if you can speak Kazakh or if you can speak Russian, of course it will be easier for you to go here. And I decided to make vlog today just because I love to share something beautiful for you, my followers. So if you see my vlog, many of my vlog this year will be from Almaty.
It's too quiet.
Look at my finger, it's red, right?
Hi.
Hi, Debbie.
Hi, Ryan.
I'm ready.
It's like small Christmas tree, a lot of them there. We can just pick one and we bring home if you're about to celebrate Christmas, of course. And it's just beautiful. You can try by yourself.
It's scare time. Pushing up on the boulder, that's the plan.
Yes.
Okay.
Daddy will leave us.
Huh?
Come on, Daddy will leave us. Not run. Walk, just walk fast. If you run, you will be tired.
Can you push me up like a boulder?
Boom. Ah, yes, me and my son is very slow. This trip is already about 1 hour and plus taxi, 36 minutes from our house here.
Did you use the protection spell again?
And I guess we will come back soon because it starts to be colder and colder when we go up there. Guys, have you seen snow in real? I will show you how snow looks like. So it's how they looks like. Very tiny little ice. And it's very cold when you hold it like this. But it's very pleasant because it's very soft. With children, it's not so easy to go to nature, but I think this gentleman already do it. Like, he did good job. And now we are going to the river with my husband and him, and there is the beautiful view. Still far, but we will not go there because we weren't gonna make it. It's too far. You see, there is small step here, and my husband just was wondering what is it, because it's there too and there too, and maybe it's beaver. Some animal who like to build some house in the river like that, but we don't know. Let's find out. Or maybe it was fox. We don't know. We can't find it. We don't see usually some animal in nature like that. they don't really want to be visible by people, so they can be anywhere right now. Beautiful river, and there is this plant here.
What the water says.
It's snow there.
What the water says.
So all this white around is snow. There is a lot of snow also. Trees.
Ow! Ow!
So guys, our trip is finished. So that's where was our last point in the small river, and I think this, see, just look beautiful, and I will bring it home. Now we are surrounded by trees, beautiful trees. So if you wonder what it was before, my husband just teach my son how to clean his shoes from snow, like that. So now we head back to our home. It's still a long journey. You can see like the camera isn't stable at all because the snow is a little bit thick here, too much, and I walk a little bit not easy, but fun. This snow looks like clouds, you see, with some small hole in it. Many of snow there. So many snow there. So much because it's not countable. There also looks like cloud. For your information, watchers, I fell down in this snow while we were walking like this maybe 4 times. My son's once. My shoes just a little bit slippery, but I can share to you that when you fell down in snow like this, like a cloud, it is not painful at all. It turned out to be fun things because it's a little bit slippery and you are like sliding somehow. Well, in this one, like ice, you see? If it's like cloud like this, it's not painful, but sometimes it's cold if it goes to your jacket. Okay, I think I will record the video when we already goes down because I need to be focused on my way home. Focus on this road, you see. So difficult here to walk for me, but for my husband, not difficult at all. Guys, yay, we made it! We already come back to the road now, and we will order a taxi from this point to our home. So that's how our trip today. I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope all my subscribers have the opportunity also to go to see snow. And I give you the picture that in Almaty in winter is very beautiful. It's a place in Asia that we can travel whenever you are ready. And bye bye, see you in another trip video. Ryan is already make some big noise. It means he missed his computer. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe.